Welcome! This is Brooke with the Karlie and Brooke channel, and today I'm going to talk to you about reading craft books and why it's so important. When I first started writing, I thought that joining writing groups, which also is very important, was the only thing that I needed to get better at writing. I joined 3 different writing groups, and I was very consistent for years. And I had lots of constructive feedback, lots of excellent feedback, and I learned lots of solid things. But after writing several books, I realized that none of them were quite where they needed to be. And as I queried them, I realized from the many rejections that I got that I was right. They weren't where they needed to be. So I started reading books on craft. Reading books on craft completely revolutionized my writing. And I wrote one of the best books I've ever written. And the feedback that I received on that book was eons better than the feedback that I received on any other. I started to receive feedback that my book was ready to publish and that it was the best book they'd ever written. This was a huge difference compared to the other books that I had written that I had spent so much time on. Reading craft books is a fast track to become a better writer. While I would highly recommend joining writing groups and writing as often and as much as you can, make sure that you're reading craft books too, because that will get you to a level that nothing else will, a lot faster. If you find this helpful, please like, save, and subscribe. Let me know what you think, and I hope to see you on our next video. Thanks for watching.